day 2 of us vlogging our little adventures. Today is a really nice day out, so we decided that we're gonna go out because why not, right? Where are we going? Maybe going to the beach. Just gonna relax and get a gelato.
Yeah, we can get gelato if you want to get gelato.
Alright, so that's the plan today. We're gonna go get a gelato. You wanna see how nice it is outside? Hi kids! Xavier. Hello Xavier. Sal doesn't look happy at all.
Again,
He's just staring at the camera like, don't point that thing at me. Say hi baby! Hi! Hi! Hey Xavier! Hi Xavier! Yeah, you're smiling! It's like, what is that? Can I smile at that? We woke up kind of late today. So we were up pretty late last night trying to edit.
I was teaching her at the same time.
Yeah.
That's why it took so long.
Well, he kind of like just threw me to the deep end. He kind of like ditched me. And so you're probably thinking like, she's gonna take a while, just gonna walk off. For something that Johnny does for like 5 minutes, it took me like 4 hours to do. Literally. Hi. So we just got to
St. Kilda.
St. Kilda Beach now. Yeah, it's full of water. Say hi. Where's this glass of Johnny?
Right there, stop.
Are you gonna say goodbye to everyone? Say hello. Hi. Look at that. Hi, Zaya. First time in the beach. Xavier. You like the sand, Zaya? Say hi. You like the sand? Sand on your feet. Zaya. Hi, Zaya. Go play with Zell. Nope, he's going straight to the water.
So we're walking down St Kilda Beach.
Hi, I'm gonna go look for a fish and chip shop now. go into the water because they're water babies. They absolutely love water in general, even though it was very cold. It's like a marathon trying to get them out of there. Lucky I bought spare pants.
Having a little break from these ones running around pretty much.
Hey y'all! Hey y'all! Hi! What are you doing, Mr. Zayo? Mr. Zayn wants to hold the camera. Xavier's trying to go in front. Xavier! Xavier is passed out. Hi, Xavier.
Xavier, what's Xavier? What's Xavier?
Okay, watching him. Zane was tapping him before. Zane's tapping. Zane's trying to guide him. Zane's trying to guide him.
It's like, if I can't sleep, you can't sleep. Oh,
Hey! Hey!
we're going down to the pier to get a gelati
Yep.
and
Jam donut.
yes, jam donuts. Yeah.
We just ate fish and chips. Johnny promised it was the best. It was okay.
She wasn't happy,
No, it was not.
but she was the amount we paid.
Exactly. Milk? 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 Oh yeah, no. Milky. Milk please, mommy. Milk? Silly child. Milk please. Is that your milk? Is that your milk? Ta? Ta? Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm picking coffee with
Pass
brown
this
sugar
Oh, brown sugar, that's alright.
because we have no sugar. Oh, so good. It's like
Sugar, it's brown.